The TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine is revolutionizing industries such as oil and gas, chemical processing, nuclear energy, food production, pharmaceuticals, and electronics manufacturing. Let's focus on its exceptional capabilities in the electronics and semiconductor sectors. In semiconductor manufacturing, where precision and cleanliness are critical, the TATE welding machine ensures flawless welds for high-purity gas pipelines. These pipelines transport gases essential for the production of microchips, requiring contamination-free welding to maintain product integrity. The TATE machine achieves this through its automated orbital welding system, which guarantees consistent precision welds that meet the stringent demands of the industry. Additionally, the machine's versatility makes it ideal for creating pure gas delivery systems in clean rooms, ensuring minimal downtime and optimal productivity. Its adaptability across different materials, including stainless steel and titanium, ensures a perfect fit for high-tech applications. We are the original manufacturer of the TATE Orbital Automatic TIG Welding Machine, providing OEM and ODM services to meet industry-specific needs. Subscribe to our channel or email info@oktate.com for more details about this groundbreaking technology and its applications.